Okay guys, hi. I just wanted to show you how to start using one of these acrylic paint pens. They are great for doing outlining, and to get them started, you just have to push down. This is a black one, and you have to push down until you see the ink coming down onto the paper or whatever surface you're using it on. And it leaves a nice thick line. I probably should have gotten a fine line marker. Oh well. Alright, well, I just wanted to show you how to get it started. I got this at Walmart, one of the bigger Walmarts, not just a neighborhood mart, like the ones with all craft things and jewelry and food and everything. It's in the craft section, so they're like $1.97 for the paint pens. You can also get them at AC Moore or online. It's acrylic opaque paint markers. I'll put a link to a brand below, just so that you can have easy access to it and see what you wanna, if you wanted to buy it that way online. They come in all different colors, and they come in different thicknesses. They go all the way from extra fine up to chisel point, that you could probably purchase on Amazon, and I think they're great. But the paint is opaque, so in other words, you're not going to be able to see through this part of the glass if this is used on glass for stained glass outlining, which is what I'm going to use it for. And I'll show you that in the next video. Alright, thank you for watching.